Okay guys, let's buy a pellet gun shotgun.
But let's first go to the store.
We are at the store.
Picking the shotgun I want.
Acquired. Let's unbox it now. It's a bit heavy. Loading it with pellets. Testing it from 30 feet.
It's inaccurate. Really strong. Went through the cardboard.
Loading it.